It's 10 a.m. and the meeting called by Congress is to start soon. But the big question is, will Sachin Pilot soften his stance? Now, sources say that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has spoken thrice to Sachin Pilot and requested him to attend the meeting that is set to start soon. The Congress on Monday avoided a collapse in Rajasthan after a revolt by their number 2 leader in the state, Sachin Pilot. But it packed off at least 100 MLAs to a resort in a sign that the crisis is far from over. In late last night, another video that came out from the Sachin Pilot camp can be seen here, where many MLAs were seen sitting at the resort in Manesar in Gurgaon, close to Delhi, in a bid to say that we have the strength. About 15 to 16 MLAs are seen sitting there supporting Sachin Pilot. Joining us for a conversation on this entire political crisis now are Saurabh Shukla, Sukirti Dwivedi and Sunil Prabhu from various locations. Saurabh Shukla is present in Jaipur and Sukirti is outside the hotel where the MLAs are camped. Now, beginning with you, Sunil, a kind of an analysis. It seems that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also trying to convince Pilot to attend today's meeting, which is set to start. Likely it has started now. So, what exactly would you say is the highest echelons of Congress? Are they trying their best right now?
Well, I'll take that with a pinch of salt because from what I have been speaking to, top Congress sources indicate that Sachin Pilot is in active talks with the BJP. And that is quite clear.
Right. It seems we've lost his connection. Let's go across to Sukirti Dwivedi. Sukirti, what are you hearing at the resort right now? Any news about the MLAs?
Well, Anjali, it is believed that at least what we've been learning from our sources is that at least 7 to 18 MLAs that are supporting Mr. Pilot have been inside this hotel in Manesar. Yesterday, we did saw at one point around 3:30 p.m. yesterday 2 cars which were believed to have at least 2 MLAs leave and they were escorted by a Haryana police jeep. But that was the only activity that we've seen so far outside the hotel. Apart from that, it is just media crews here, or you would see some police deployment outside the hotel. But beyond that, we've not witnessed any activity here outside the hotel. But for Mr. Pilot, of course, a lot of speculation on how exactly is the maths for him, whether the numbers are favorable or not. Until yesterday, we were reporting that he has at least 12 to 13 MLAs with him. But now, after the video that came last night, it is believed that he has at least 7 to 18 MLAs that are supporting him. Mr. Pilot, though, remains incommunicado. There's no detail of where exactly he is, whether he's at his residence or at the hotel. But he's definitely placed his MLAs over here, the same hotel, which was also earlier used for the Karnataka crisis, as well as the Madhya Pradesh government when it was being toppled over. Then also the MLAs were brought here at this hotel.
Right, let's go across to Saurabh Shukla, who's in Jaipur. Saurabh, we are hearing that even Priyanka Gandhi is trying to convince Pilot to attend the meeting. What exactly are you hearing right now?
Absolutely, Anjali. In fact, Priyanka Gandhi was active yesterday also and today also, for that matter. This is we are standing right in front of Fairmont Resort, Jaipur, where Ashok Gehlot, Chief Minister of Rajasthan, he is inside along with almost 95 to 98 MLAs right inside, and he's been there throughout the night. Apart from him, Avinash Pandey, who is General Secretary in charge, just like 15-20 minutes back, Anjali, he tweeted requesting Sachin Pilot and his supporter MLAs to attend CLP, which was scheduled at 10 a.m. In fact, what my sources are telling me that it has not started yet. They are still waiting for Sachin Pilot or few MLAs. but I don't think that Sachin Pilot is going to come and join this CLP. As Sukirti has been reporting that Sachin Pilot supporters yesterday, they have released a video of 17 to 18 MLAs who were there in that resort of Manesar, Haryana. And apart from that, 3 more independent MLAs are supporting Sachin Pilot. So in that case, Sachin Pilot has support of 20 MLAs and 2 sitting ministers, Ramesh Meena and Vishweshwar Singh. Vishweshwar Singh, who is tourism minister, he is openly supporting Sachin Pilot. And apart from that, Ramesh Meena is also openly supporting Sachin Pilot. He is food supply minister in Ashok Gehlot's government. So they are with Sachin Pilot. In fact, they are almost 95 to 98 MLAs are inside. So yesterday, Ashok Gehlot claimed that he has support of 109 MLAs, which is there now with a question mark, because yesterday Sachin Pilot released a clip of 17 to 18 MLAs together in that resort. So that will be tested, and CLP was scheduled at 10, but I think it will start in some time, because like 15-20 minutes back, Avinash Pandey is in charge and General Secretary of Congress. He tweeted and requested Sachin Pilot and his supporter MLAs to join CLP meeting. In fact, we've been reporting from our sources that Priyanka Gandhi is very much active, and she's also in talks with Sachin Pilot and trying to convince him to attend this CLP, because yesterday when CLP happened, Sachin Pilot was not there. Just before that CLP meeting, Randeep Surjewala, who is here to manage this whole crisis, he in that press conference requested Sachin Pilot and other MLAs to come and talk in open forum.
Right.
They said that we are family and there are issues in the family. They should be sought within the family. So in fact, they are waiting for Sachin Pilot and few more MLAs, but which is very unlikely that there will be more MLAs joining the CLP. But it has not started yet. And we can see there are a few police vehicles, and this whole resort, Fairmont Resort, which is in like 30 kilometers away from main Jaipur city, they have converted into a cantonment zone. You can see the police presence here. Media is not allowed beyond this point, and you can see the firefighter, and that bus is also there. That's the same bus when MLAs arrived in this bus along with Ashok Gehlot. So we have to wait. CLP meeting will be starting in some time, but I don't think that Sachin Pilot and few more MLAs are likely to join. So, but after press conference, we'll come to know that how many MLAs are supporting Ashok Gehlot, and but that claim of Ashok Gehlot that he has support of 109 MLAs is being questioned by the supporters of Sachin Pilot, and that video which was released by Sachin Pilot supporters yesterday.